Alright, we're doing a cold start this morning on the Speedy. What I usually do is I just go ahead and turn the key on. You can hear the fuel pump. And I give it a couple just slow squirts, get a little bit of gas in the carbs. Not super fast, just as a plunger, so I just... And here we go for the start. Got your tachometer, your fuel gauge, your oil pressure. Let it sit here for maybe 30 seconds, a minute, and I'll go to the back and then I'll give it some gas. I'm going to go ahead and rev it up. So you can hear the power band. There you go. Ready to go. Jump in, take off. Have a good time.